We're on Mars, but it feels like a warm day back home in here. The heater's cranking, air's clean, it's insane. This Lariat FX4's got so much torque. Watch this. Instant pull. You can feel the turbos kick. Pedals smooth, responsive, and the cabin, quiet, even with Martian dust blasting the wheel wells.
Here we go! First drive of Ford's new F150 Lariat FX4 on Mars of all places. Pedal down, listen to that turbo spool. Instant torque, no lag. The heat and air filtering in here, perfect. Feels like I'm at home, not the freezing desert outside. Steering super...
Let's see what this Lariat can do out here. Immediate power, smooth, even on Martian gravel. The heater's toasty, air's crisp. Feels like I'm cruising back home, except with a better view. Steering's tight, suspension just floats over the ruts. Listen to that V6 growl and check out the grip. Tires just...
the hammer and see what this Lariat's really got. Pedals flat, instant shove. The left leg's just along for the ride, all gas, no brake. It rockets forward but stays planted. Steering's tight, suspension just floats over the ruts. Listen to that V6 growl and the tires rip keys, the ice, and a whole lot of Mars. Let's see what this Lariat can do. 4 auto engaged, heat's blasting. I'm cozy outside is minus like a million. Listen to that turbo spool. It grabs even when the snow's over the bumper. Steering feels planted, not floaty. Watch this. Donut! Whoa, perfect.
I can't believe this. I'm driving a brand new F-150 on Mars. It's negative 82 out there and I'm warm as toast. The heater's cranked, the cabin air is perfect, and check this out. Power is instant. The FX4 package with these big all-terrains just bites into the snow.
Watch it, here we go. Mars polar cap, high noon, blizzard blowing sideways, and the heater in this F-150's got me toast. Twin turbo V6, 10-speed auto, listen to that, it just digs in even in 3 feet of Martian powder. Steering's light but precise, suspension soaks up the ruts, feels planted, we're gonna spin it, foot down.
Yeah, she's spinning like nothing. Oh, still going nowhere. Listen to that motor whine. Feels like I'm trying to drive through a snow cone. Brooklyn, Pluto, same difference with this thing. Plenty of lights, all the heat in the world, but it ain't getting us unstuck. I swear, you think a truck this hype could grab some ice?
All right, here we go. Little tap of the pedal. Nah, she's already stuck. Great. Brand new CyberTruck on Pluto, and it's the same lousy traction as back in Bay Ridge. I'm floored right now. Look at that, spinning like a top. All that torque, and the thing's just making snow cones.
So we're on Pluto, it's minus who knows what, snow in every direction, and this shiny stainless brick is already buried to its axles. I'm on the pedal, matted, nothing, just wheel spin in a light show. Everyone said the heat and filtration were top notch. Great, I can breathe while I'm stuck, lovely.
Here we go, feel down. Yeah, she's spinning like crazy. Nothing. Foot to the floor, still going nowhere. Listen to that motor whine. Feels like I'm trying to drive through a snow cone. Brooklyn, Pluto, same difference with this thing. Plenty of lights, all the heat in the world, but it ain't getting us unstuck. I swear, you think a truck this hype could grab some ice? Nope, just sitting here looking shiny.
Low gas, come on, you the wheels are just digging in. You hear that? All that spin, no bite. Feels like I'm on Flatbush in February, not Pluto. Supposed to be the future, right? This thing's got as much grip as a taxi on black ice. Forget it, I'm getting out. Look at this.
Here we go, foot down. Yeah, she's spinning like crazy. Nothing, foot to the floor, still going nowhere. Listen to that motor whine. Feels like I'm trying to drive through a snow cone. Brooklyn, Pluto, same difference with this thing. Plenty of lights, all the heat in the world, but it ain't getting us unstuck. I swear, you think a truck this hype could grab some ice? Nope, just sitting here looking shiny.
Thank you for watching The Bad Civil Servant on YouTube and North American House Hippo on Rumble. The only channels where you don't have to like and subscribe if you don't want to.
President, I have ordered the immediate revocation of his green card. Smell you later.